Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside the workspace where the reminder belongs. Type /remind followed by who, what, and when. For personal alerts, say, /remind me to follow up at 3 p.m. For a channel, say, /remind #channel to post updates every Monday at 9 a.m. This single command kicks off Slack's scheduler, so make sure your time zone is correct in preferences, otherwise times will shift unexpectedly. Once sent, Slack confirms and queues the reminder for delivery. Next, decide exact timing and repetition so reminders behave predictably. You can use specific dates like June 15, relative phrases like in 2 hours, or recurrences such as every weekday. For custom patterns, type every first Monday or daily at 8 a.m. After scheduling, open the reminders list by typing /remind list or click the reminder message to edit or cancel. Make changes if the recurrence is wrong. Slack updates the queued reminder immediately to avoid duplicate alerts. Finish by managing reminders and handling common failures. Run /remind list to see every scheduled alert and pick any item to mark done, edit, or delete. If a reminder didn't appear, make sure notifications are enabled on your device and the workspace hasn't restricted bot commands. Also confirm your profile time zone and use clear phrasing. Ambiguous times cause misfires. If problems persist, recreate the reminder with a precise date and time. That usually resolves scheduling or permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.